Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Functions in Python allow you to encapsulate reusable pieces of code, making your programs more modular and easier to maintain. In Python, you can define multiple functions with the same name, and the one that gets executed depends on the arguments passed to it. This concept is known as function overloading. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to define and use multiple functions with the same name in Python. Let's start by defining a basic function. Here's an example. This function takes a single argument name and prints a greeting message. Now, let's explore how to define multiple functions with the same name. Python doesn't support true function overloading like some other languages, but you can achieve similar behavior using default arguments and variable length argument lists. Let's consider the following example. In this example, the greet function has two parameters, name and greeting. The greeting parameter has a default value of hello. When the function is called with only one argument, it uses the default greeting. If two arguments are provided, the second one is used as the custom greeting. Python also allows you to use variable length argument lists, which can be handy for creating functions with a variable number of parameters. The *args syntax allows a function to accept any number of positional arguments. In this example, the multi_greet function can accept any number of names as arguments, and it greets each of them individually. Although Python does not enforce type annotations, you can use them to provide clarity about the expected types of arguments. This can be useful when defining multiple functions with the same name, especially if you want to convey the intended usage. In this example, two add functions are defined, one for integers and another for floats. Function overloading in Python can be achieved using default arguments, variable length argument lists, and type annotations. While Python doesn't enforce function overloading in the same way as some other languages, these techniques allow you to create flexible and versatile functions that can handle different scenarios. Choose the approach that best suits your needs and makes your code more readable and maintainable. ChatGPT